did? And you had fun? Hmm? Okay. Okay. Mhm. Okay. It was good? Really good? Okay. Okay. All right. So you had a lot of fun, and it's good, huh? Did you do tummy time too? You on your tummy? Yeah? A little bit? Hmm? Oh, a little bit. Okay. Okay. Did you play with your monkey? What about the bird? You hear the bird sing? Hmm? Oh, you did? Okay. You have anything else you'd like to say? Hmm? Okay. Uh-huh. So you get a good nap? You take a nap today too? Hmm? Oh, you did? Did you snore today? Hmm? A little? You just snore a little bit? Hmm? A little? Okay. So you want to get up and walk around now, or what? You just want to relax? Hmm? Jian? Jian? Hmm? You want to walk around a little bit? Huh? A little? Okay. Okay. Do you want to count some, or you finished with the interview? Uh-huh. Okay. 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 That's good.